right. We are on the way to where, babe?
To Florida.
Yes. Hey everyone! Alright, so we are on the way to Miami and I'm excited. We left the house around, what time did we leave?
About 6:30.
About 6:30.
I think it was about 6:15.
Somewhere around 6 or something. And so we are on the way to Florida. We just stopped off because I've been eating these. It's like the Aldi brand of the Takis. And when I first started eating them, I was like, it is not hot. These are not spicy. The Takis are better. They're hot, guys.
And we had to get
Ultimate Road Trip
snacks,
which is
boiled peanuts.
Boiled peanuts. And I had to get a coffee too because I needed coffee. Normally I have my coffee from my Nespresso, but since we're on the road and we're going on a cruise, it's at home now. So stay tuned because I will take you. I think I'm gonna try to talk Jason into stopping at Buc-ee's because they have some of the best brisket sandwiches ever.
You can film.
All right, so where are we, Jason? Coming up to Savannah.
17 miles from Savannah.
Somewhere, and all of a sudden our GPS picked up that there was an animal on the road. There was something there, guys.
Animals.
Yeah, it was animals. We've never gotten that through our GPS on our car, and it just said animals in the road. We've never seen that before, so that's interesting. All right, so we are coming up to where you can get off to go to Pooler, and just to let you know, it's cooler and Pooler. Oh, see that? Probably not.
Oh, Buc-ee's next exit.
Buc-ee's.
We're going to Buc-ee's.
We're going to Buc-ee's.
And our daughter a beaver onesie. It back farther when we were stuck in traffic, when I was having to climb over. Oh, you're talking about the lifelike traffic?
Yeah, so we got stopped on 95. I don't even know where we were. We were somewhere on 95 near, it was just south of Melbourne, I think. And Jason was looking at me and he was like, is that a helicopter? And I was like, I don't know where. And so I looked up and it was. He goes, it just landed on the highway. And so traffic was stopped. And we sat there for probably, 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
And it was a bad wreck. But it looked like somebody was out test driving. Maybe two people were out test driving, or maybe moving like
vehicles from like one dealership to another, because 2 of them had stickers on them still from the dealership, and yeah, so they were totaled. I think there was a total of 4 cars involved in the accident. So, and then I had to get back, climb to the back since we were just sitting there. We knew we weren't going anywhere for a while. Climbed to the back to get my ibuprofen and moved the bag farther back than I had planned on. So I'm using my phone, which still does the job. So enjoy. We are in Pompano Beach.